if there are any explanations that would be needed in Arabic, then I'll translate it. Now I'm going to take you out of the science. The science, as we all work on, with all its levers, has advantage for our development. And unfortunately, disadvantage on the world, the only planet that we are living on. The only planet that we know, with all the discoveries of NASA, we couldn't find until now similar planet to our glorious planet Earth. So, my picture here show you that we all on this together. The environment has no boundaries. We have to all agree. Whatever, if it's one of the human nature to disagree about anything, you name it. Religion for a start. My religion is better than your religion, or I want to picture the new economic, politics, wear hijab or not wear hijab, tradition, whatever we can disagree about. But if we have to disagree about this item, then we have to all agree to live in a better environment. This is just a suggestion of a global environmental information system. In this system, I am imagining that all the people on the planet will cooperate together under the umbrella of what is used to say the United Nations. What I am suggesting, if the United Nations is weak, then we should have a powerful in this United Nations called the Environmental United Nations, or the Environmental Department of the United Nations. And I refer to it by the UN. Let's go in the content. Facts to discuss an example of a problem what it is for the environmental information system or the global environmental information system. Model of environmental impact assessment. Our wonderful speaker, Dr. Mary, about what is the disaster that is happening in the Red Sea. And when I introduced myself to her, she said, is there an environmental impact assessment done in Egypt? This is her remark, respected remark about what is happening. Agreement. This agreement, at the end of my presentation, we will do all together. Where applications and environmental to attach to the system that is running Google Earth that can be available for Google. The world is facing a very important challenge in its environment, a dilemma that has to be solved as soon as possible to continually protect or preserve the environment of our life. For the right answer to the remaining question, to be or not to be. The world environment is facing a very important challenge as our environment of the planet all over the country. The soil is connected to the earth's ground. The water, I think, if it's one of the human nature to disagree, then we have to agree. The idea is simple way is to establish a global environmental information system that can be connected to the Google Earth program or any other map. The system will have all the environmental parameters of the life on Earth, and all this an environmental global department could be established from the United. Each country can be divided on areas. These areas vary from place to place according to its importance to the environment and the environmental parameters that have. This global information system can have levels of security for each country to view the information that it wants to view on public. However, all the information should be available to the UN to be a great help to each project. Nowadays, we are hearing about the countries that want to establish nuclear plants and difficult for the new responsible people to enter and to investigate. All this is a disaster. One nuclear bomb to destroy our planet. So what we are waiting for, I don't know. Let us discuss some facts. If we cannot measure it, we really don't know much about it. If we do not know the environmental information system, أنا أخذت لي تدرس الأيدو والسيستم وأنا أصلا تخصصي بالإنفايرمنت فبعرف المليون طبعا. أنا بقول الأوبجيكتيف وكل ده في حتة لوحدها. وبعدين الورد بقى الحتة الثانية. الكواليتي how we will achieve it. It's وhow well our priority as all the other things. And then, so let's discuss other facts that we mentioned before: define, measure, analysis, improve, control. Select the problem or measure it, we analyze things for any information system. As you all know, around the global warming. Dr. May, again, I was impressed by Dr. May. She has the feeling of these creatures that is distinguished in our planet. The Euronews CNN announced a few weeks ago that the marine culture will never be the same again. A disaster happened and we will never retrieve it back. What is happening with the CO2, with the global warming? The CO2 is dissolved to acids, carbonic acids in the sea, like that. Until now, we haven't solved it. While the solution is very easy. Let me mention again, America hasn't not yet signed the Kyoto Agreement. And there is another agreement we hope